Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 GMC Acadia SLT, stock number Z7234A. 33,000 miles, and there's one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and even more storage in the upper dash. Overhead auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and of course just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates that average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7234A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.